To cut a section through the building model, we can use the Section tool in both the View tab and the Quick Access Toolbar. You must be in a plan view to be able to cut a section. After selecting this command, the only thing to do is to draw a line across the building. Right after drawing the section line, a view associated with that section will be created in the project browser. To see the section view, select and right-click over the section line in the floor plan, and then select Go to View. The second way is to find and double-click over its associated view in the project browser. As you can see, this view is cropped by a rectangular region. This region is called the crop region, and its settings are in the view's instance properties. Use Crop View to turn the command on or off, and use Crop Region Visible to make it visible or invisible in this view. It should be noted that leaving it visible in the view will not cause it to be printed in the outputs. To adjust the extent of the crop region, having it selected, drag the control points on its sides to adjust the size. If you're finding this video helpful, check out RevitGamers.com. Our courses go beyond the basics, bringing Revit to life with hundreds of dynamic visuals and animations that make complex concepts feel easy. This unique training approach is designed to speed up your learning and make BEAM adoption smoother than ever. Every day, more students and companies are joining Revit Gamers Club to elevate their Revit skills. Don't miss out. Head to RevitGamers.com and see how Revit training can be fun, visual, and incredibly effective.